Hello, welcome back to the Drummond channel on, let's see, it's Thursday, January 25th. And I wanted to update our E-mini contract S&P forecast as the market yesterday moved up into that area I was talking about in the last video. And it reversed strongly and kind of moved back up into that area this morning following the economic data dump. And now what's it doing? And is that area holding that we thought the resistance would be strong, or is it breaking? So let's get started. So what you're looking at now is what we were seeing at about 11 o'clock this morning, East Coast time. And over here on the left, the daily chart, prices have moved back up into the oncoming. That's still in area zone 6, and hourly chart is in zone 6, and there's a wall starting to form there. And the 15-minute finally moved up into zone 6, and there's been a wall forming there. So that's what I made a note of that about 11 o'clock, and then stepped away for a little bit. And this is where we're at now, and it is almost 1 o'clock East Coast time. And this wall area on the 15-minute chart, has been holding. The hourly chart is now expanded a bit, and as we can see on the daily chart, this cyan line here is called a spike, or we also call it the airbag, and that area is holding right now. You can see over here on the day before, on yesterday, it got way up here into the oncoming, and then the daily reversed back down inside the envelope, and the spike was holding. So if this spike continues to hold today, we're going to probably get into daily congestion. And the reason I'm harping on this is because this market has been going up for a long time. And if you look at outside of Drummond geometry, it's sentiment indicators and overbought, oversold. I recently saw a chart of insider sales ratio that had gone off the chart into the bearish territory. Insiders are dumping stock faster than ever on record, as far as that chart went back anyway. And that was probably 10 or 12 years. So what we're looking at is potentially a bigger turn, and it's too early to tell. If we get into daily congestion, then obviously that's the pivot line, the center point line, and until prices get below that, we're not going to take this too seriously, because right also is the weekly envelope top, and then way down here weekly envelope, or I'm sorry, the weekly PL dot, and then way down here we're starting to get into the weekly envelope bottom and just getting down to the monthly envelope top. So there'd be a lot of layers of resistance, a lot of layers of support to go through for a trend change, but that's what happens when a big trend changes direction. And keep in mind, up in this area we had that yearly envelope top. Thank you for watching. As a quick update, like I said, something bigger might be starting to unfold. We have to take a day at a time though, and right now, if these areas continue to hold and prices push down again today, and we get a daily close inside the envelope down below the daily PL dot, then we're starting to march towards lower prices, and we'll see what happens as we get down to weekly support. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section, and we'll see you again next time.